now we're moving on to our office investor. And I'd like to call up Thomas Statz from Deutsche Hippo, who's sponsoring this award today. Thomas, please come up and help us give out Office Investor of the Year Award.
And we have a short, long list here. And on the list we have RS Management, Severe Global Investors, CPI Property as an open-ended investment fund, Globalworth, Global Trade Center, Golden Star Estate, Invest for Real Estate, Rico, and Tristan Capital Partners.
So Thomas, thank you for helping us hand out this award and Deutsche Hippo sponsoring this.
So this year the Office Investor of the Year is Globalworth.
Welcome, congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, last 12 months for us was a Globalworth was very exciting, interesting time, and I'm taking a statute on behalf of our entire team, very ambitious, good, intelligent employees. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and come join us for a photo.